Hello, it's Krista and Lisa, and welcome to our channel, Farmhouse Rose Co. Today's DIY is a set of Farmhouse Snowmen. The items that we're going to be using today is some recycled cans, some microfiber towels from Dollar Tree, some wire, some buttons also from Dollar Tree. I'm sure there's going to be some other items, but I kind of work as I go, so let's see how it turns out. The first thing I'm going to do is take the microfiber towel and decide how big of strips I want to cut. I'm going to make one snowman with 3 cans, the other one with 2 cans. And if you watch as I go here, I just took the microfiber towel and laid the can on top and measured to see how big a piece I would need. And then once I got the size I needed, I just cut out 5 rectangles in that size, 1 for each can. In here, I'm just taking hot glue and attaching the microfiber towel all the way around the can. And after I attach them with hot glue, I just cut the ends off so that there's probably an inch hanging over, and then I just hot glued that part in on the bottom of the can and the top of the can. And then I just did this process for all 5 cans. And once I had all the microfiber glued to the cans, I glued 2 of the cans together for one snowman and then 3 together for the other. And then I decided to add little wood bases to the bottom of the snowman. I bought these little wood plaques from Hobby Lobby at 40% off, and I'm just staining them with walnut wood tint. Once we get these stained, we're going to let them dry and work on the snowman's nose. I wanted to do something different for the snowman's nose, so I took some of this wire and a chopstick from Dollar Tree, and I just wrapped it around on the thickest part going toward the narrow end, and just kind of twisted and shaped it until it kind of looked like a carrot. And then I just painted the little spring carrot noses with some orange chalk paint. Next, I worked on the snowman's hat. I thought the brim of the hat needed to be a little larger, so I'm just cutting out some poster board here to make a new brim for the hats. And then I just covered the poster board with some black flannel that I had in my stash and just hot glued them into place. And then I just took the brim off the hat and put the top part and glued it onto the new brim. And now that the wood bases are dry, I'm just gonna hot glue the snowmen on top of the bases. And then I just took a strip of fleece to make their little scarves. You could also use one of the fleece scarves from Dollar Tree. I just didn't have any, so I ended up using the fleece I had on hand. Once I had the scarf tied on and I had it in place, I just cut little fringes on both ends of the scarf. And then I just took some buttons from Dollar Tree and used them for his eyes and the little buttons on his belly. And then I just hot glued the little spring carrot nose into place. And here's how they turned out. We just think they just turned out so adorable, and it's just awesome to be able to use something and recycle it and just make something so adorable. Thanks for joining us today. We really hope you enjoyed our little recycled snowmen. If you're subscribed to our channel, thank you for your support. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please consider doing so. Every subscriber, comment, and like helps our channel to grow, and YouTube to notice us a little bit more. Make sure to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. Talk to you guys next time. Bye for now.